My absolute favorite kitchen appliance right now is an air fryer. In fact, I have three. So this air fryer recipe is for pork chops, and they are so juicy and tender, perfectly seasoned. You can make them in an air fryer oven, which is what I did in this actual video. And you can also use an air fryer basket. The seasoning is I don't know, I guess it's just like the seasoning that I like to really use with meats. Before we season them, we want to coat them with a little bit of avocado oil, sprinkle both sides with the seasoning, and then cook them in the air fryer. And that is it. If you use foil, it's no mess, and they are juicy and tender, perfect for a weeknight meal. Your family is going to love this recipe.